Let me tell you the fastest way to lose money on a job. Show up, eyeball the damage, snap 2 blurry photos, and figure you'll remember the rest. You won't. And the person building your estimate for sure won't, because they weren't standing there with you. So here's the fix. Every single job gets the same 12-photo baseline. Same sequence every time. So nothing gets missed and nothing gets forgotten. Here's the set. Start with your 4 elevations, front, back, left, right. Stand back far enough to get the whole face of the structure in frame. That's 4. Next, 1 context shot, something that ties the photos to the property, the house number, the street, the mailbox. That's 5. Now walk each affected area and take 1 wide shot of the whole space so anybody can see where they are. And then on the actual damage, you take 2. A wide that shows where the damage sits in the room and a close-up that shows exactly what's going on. Wide for location, close for detail. Always both. Here's the rule that makes all of it work. Shoot for the person who wasn't there. Don't shoot for yourself. You already know the story. Shoot so somebody who has never seen this property can open your photos and understand the whole job without asking you a single question. And do the whole thing inside SketchEdge, our free field app. Capture your photos and measurements right there so the set stays tied to the job and stays organized instead of scattered across your camera roll. Your photos show what's there. That's it. You're documenting, not diagnosing coverage. Then you hand that clean, documented job off to estimate experts and let them build the estimate off real evidence. 12 photos, same order. Every job. Do that and you never lose a detail again.